Hey guys, here we go again. 2 years ago was the very first Porsche Restoration Challenge, and we were really excited to get involved. The workmanship was beautiful, the design was beautiful, and then the reaction was over the top amazing. Last year's Restoration Challenge came up, and what are we going to do this time? We came up with the Safari design and came up with that bright green livery, and just, again, it came out amazing. So now, now this year is coming up. And I always loved the Flatnose turbo. I mean, we hadn't done a turbo yet, so it just kind of all seemed in line. So I found a slant nose that was in pretty bad shape. I have to apologize to my crew now because I didn't realize how bad a shape it was really in. The body was there, the engine was there, and everything else we kind of had to repair. When a car hasn't been loved and it's been abandoned and we're tearing the car apart, to me it's a beautiful thing because we're making something beautiful again, and I think the car appreciates it too. Then we got with Dave and really created something spectacular for a custom paint job. We took the inspiration directly from Porsche's 75th anniversary design. And I've got to say, I think it's the most complicated paint job I've ever seen. In the early 90s, only 10 slant noses were offered in Japan with the X83 option 3.6 Turbo S. And of those, only 4 had the 3.8 RS spoiler. In the end, that's what we emulated here. We wanted to add a little bit more performance to the car. Again, thinking back, if it was 80s, kind of more was more back then. So the more we could do, it was better. It's going to be faster than any Porsche we've ever built. It's going to handle better than any Porsche we've ever built. Okay. We love doing events, so it's kind of like if we can come up with an excuse to get people together, we're looking for it. So we got to have a little snake showing a little of the paintwork that Dave did, and another little sneak peek for the 75th anniversary. The wheels just came out beautiful. HREs, period correct. They look cool in the 80s, they look cool now. And we had them paint as a real contrast to the car. But what it does is it matches the interior. That interior, oh my gosh, it is spectacular. It's like basically like a checkerboard on acid. The fact that Porsche had that as a factory option, to me, is just so cool. Another really important thing to us is how it sounds. Not just the engine, but also the stereo. This is the 80s. When things started to get really loud and obnoxious. It's a lot. This is over the top in a way that for me, I worry about it a little bit on how it's all gonna all come out. A good 80s word for this car is extreme. It's pretty extreme in every way. Once again, our team that worked on this car, just incredible. And most importantly, the love that they put in. Thank you.